What's good, no label J gang? It's your girl J Penny, you know what I'm saying? Back again with another motherfucking video, you know what I'm saying? It's your girl J, you know what I'm saying? You can see by the motherfucking title, bro. Woo, bro. I just caught my man, bro. I just caught my man's cologne, you know what I'm saying? I had to do a review on it, you know what I'm saying? That's my dog. I watch him every single day. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. Here I go, man.
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm online. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is jealousy. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me.
It's right here though. Boosie Badazz, you feel me?
BOOSIEBADAZZ, that's me.
Yeah, it's called Dangerous. Yeah, let's see if this mother real dangerous. Got me stuttering and shit. But yeah, we gonna see. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie. This nigga fine, bro. Ooh, bro, he was here right now. If this dude was here right now, ooh, I don't know what I do. Ooh, I don't know. I ain't gonna say too much though, you feel me? Cause shout out to Boosie Badazz, bro. Ooh, let's see what your cologne hitting. Hold on, before we start spraying this junk, let's go to commercial. Let's go to that.
My cologne smell good as a bitch. I've been telling y'all. www.boosiecologne.com. Perfume and cologne. Hey ladies, how do I smell? Come check me out. Oh, I told you. More.
Here we go, you know what I'm saying? Heard about it. People say that make the hoes come running. You feel me? Got his little freaking, they got like a little sticker on his mug. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? BOOSIEBADAZZ. That's me. Head ass. But let's get into it, bro. Okay, I can smell it from here. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I see what you mean, Boosie. You know what I'm saying? Type stuff. I can't stop sniffing that bit, man. No kizzy. Ooh. I feel you. Hold on. That dangerous, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. www.boosiecologne.com. Get it through your heads. This stuff. Ooh, I can't wait to wear this tomorrow. Ooh, and I'm gonna get me a fresh haircut right now. Ooh. That haircut looking rough, boy. Ooh. Hold on, cause I don't want to spray it on me, cause it's going on about like, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:02 a.m.
It's going about like 12:02 a.m. in the morning, man. And you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting in the bed. I mean, who cares? Sure, you can smell good getting in that bed, but hold on. I'm gonna just spray my little polo coat. I can't wait to wear this out and about. I want to see who come running to me. I'm gonna be out in public. They gonna be smelling me.
I think you got that Boosie Badazz Cologne. I like. Hell yeah, yeah. How you like it?
Yeah. That thing smell like. I can't really describe it. It just smells so freaking good. Y'all need to go order it. This is one that's called Dangerous, bro. There's another one called Boss Man. I gotta see how that one smell for real. I'm gonna get that one too. Boosie Badazz, if you watching this video, I'm getting that motherfucker, man. I'm getting that. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, maybe I ain't spraying enough, man. I'm over here just. Bro, I don't know if I can't really smell it. It ain't this, trust me. I think because I am still sick, bro. So I can't really smell nothing. The alcohol in it hit me hard. Woo! I can definitely smell that, man. That's dying. Shot out my nose real quick. Ooh, man. And it's a good price too. You know what I'm saying? Not too expensive, not too cheap. You feel me? Like, yeah. 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 This mother is dangerous though. Type shit, bro. Yeah. Do your thing. Do your thug thistle, man. Ooh. Boosie Badazz, bro. That nigga fine like a Ooh. Hold on. Check me out. Ooh, I'm in love with this man. Go get this, bro. Go cop this. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in love with this junk, bruh. Yeah. Ooh, man. Ooh, this junk go hard. Yeah. Trust me. I'm not coughing because of this. I'm coughing because I'm sick. I'm sick as a dog. You know what I'm saying? So, ooh, yeah. I can't wait to wear this mug, though. Like, trust me. I'm about to get me a fresh haircut right now. Ooh. Then I'm going to put this on, spray it, you know what I'm saying? And let the hoes just come crawling up me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. They gonna be, ooh, just climbing up me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ooh, this junk smell good, bro. I done sprayed it in my motherfucking face. I gotta turn up with this, bro. Alexa, play Boosie Badazz.
Crazy by Boosie Badazz on Amazon Music.
Crazy. Alexa, volume is 6. Ooh, dang. So strong, making me goddamn sneeze. Woo. This junkie is crazy, though.
I feel like I'm crazy.
Yeah, he a little bit crazy.
But I know I'm not crazy.
He kind of crazy, Boosie.
That was the last song. Starting over.
You already know. I got some of the best smelling shit you ever saw in your motherfucking life. Every time I spray this shit on a motherfucking baddie past me, they be like, ooh. Yeah, man, I got some good smelling shit and I'm proud of my product. Everybody who done supported my product, like Boosie, man, this shit smell good. Women can't keep their hands off me. www.boosiecologne.com. You get the cologne and the perfume. www.boosiecologne.com. And you're going to see exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. Give this shit a chance like you give everything else a chance. My shit smell good, man. It's my own shit and it smell damn good. Check it out.
You wanna talk shit? You wanna run your mouth? They call me badass, and then I punch you. I like 'em nasty.
I like her, she nasty. Yeah. I like 'em nasty, nasty.
Some little booties who nasty. I got some big booties who nasty.
I like a bitch, you go do what I tell her.
Fuck all that rubber, she want that dick raw.
She got
Wet, slip and slide. No one trying to slip and slide. A to I, Kevin Gates.
know what I like. I like 'em nasty, nasty.
Real nasty.
I like 'em nasty, nasty. I like 'em nasty, nasty.
Real nasty.
I like 'em nasty.
Shuffling songs by Boosie Badazz on Amazon Music.
This jungle.
Yeah. You ain't no gangster, period. You be talking like gang, but I ain't gonna play with you, period.
No juice.
You
can't lie.
talking about peace. These niggas be talking about that.
Nasty.
I like 'em nasty, nasty. I like 'em nasty, nasty.
Spit in my mouth, I'm with all of this shit.
Oh, and I tell you this Boosie Badazz.
Uh-oh. Loose as a goose, I be loose as a goose. Loose as a goose, don't get me started.
Whoa, this is my mother freaking song, bro. Look at the description. Yeah, hold on. Let me spit this script.
You gotta feel it.
Look, nigga, I just like to make people happy. 4 kids, I just like being a good daddy. But I ain't hoes, that's a figure of speech to my life and my rhyme. We gon' show the world. Yeah, bankroll, what the bankroll? Big money, I like it. Hot and cheese on my time. This is all for the rest of the video, man. Hope y'all enjoy and love it. That was my review on the freaking Boosie Badazz Cologne, feel me? You know what I'm saying? Type stuff, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all gotta go get this right now. Right now, man. Stop playing with your boy. Oh. Ooh, I just can't wait to wear this tomorrow, man. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Anyways, go get y'all Boosie Badazz Cologne. Like I said, www.boosiecologne.com. Go get it. What is you waiting on? What you still watching this video for? Click the link in the description, man. Period. Mwah. No bars. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Until next time, Jaii Penny gang. Your girl is out this thing. Oh, yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because I just put y'all on real quick. I'll put y'all niggas on real quick. You feel me? Like, go subscribe to the family channel too. To the family channel. It's in the description down below. Jaii Penny. Alright? This is my personal account. You feel me? Like, what I do, like, the radio R stuff and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? The family channel, I don't pretty much do that cussing stuff. You know what I mean? Because I got kids watching the channel. But, yeah. Go subscribe for your girl. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, Boosie Badazz see this video, too. Because I just put y'all on game. For real. I just put y'all on game. Make all the fathers smell good. Make all the boyfriend smell good. All the cousins smell good. All the nephews smell good. Alright, for real though. Alright, peace out. We out. No label J gang. I love y'all.